Yeah, so this is part 2 of the Trix furnace, and the next stage is this. 32 sections go together, quite large sections actually, and they make that part of the structure, and then they all go joined together, different floor levels, pillars, quite a complicated section. And then the superstructure part slots in the middle of it, which is part 1 of the furnace project, which I've completed. So we'll see what happens next. Yeah, just a bit of advice. There's a mistake in the manual, in the instruction manual. When you come to part number 26, which looks, if you can see that, this section here, when you break it off the sprues, part 26 is this, which is a lot longer than it should be. Part 26 should look like this, which is actually part 14. So that was a mistake in the instruction manual. Not the actual sprues, but the instruction manual. Yeah, I can see another mistake in the instructions. Part number 5, which is this stage of the building which I'm building now, it's got these lines going across the parts. Part here indicating like lines for the girders to go into, like to sit into. The real part has only got these 2 lines running down off centre on part number 5, so that's incorrect. So as you can see now, that's stage 2 finished. Not installed the roof yet because I'm going to spray, weather it with an art spray gun and paint certain bricks and stuff on the inside. So as you can see, torpedo wagon goes in, can take about, I think it can take 2 torpedo wagons at a time in real life, or whatever on the model. And you can see that's where it would load up the crude iron into the torpedo wagons, and your slag wagons would come underneath here for this material that's not wanted, gets dumped over the side through these holes there. So that's the second stage done. So it is a huge building. I'm not sure whether I'm going to be installing it yet, but I'll think of something. Another point is, on this kit I've got a slight variation on the actual decking compared to the instructions, so not sure what that's about. But anyway, there we go. Stage 2 complete.